Yesterday I started talking to you about narrative writing. I said, when you are narrative writing, imagine you're telling someone an incredible story. A narrative can be real or fake. So it's a story. Narrative writing is telling a story, but an incredible story. Remember I told you it's not just any old story. It's a story that is meaningful, that you actually want to tell somebody. So yesterday you practiced telling a story, and then I told you that we needed details. We need information for your story. For example, we could say, where did you go? What did you do? What was it like? Where were you? How did you feel? And what happened? Because a story is not very good if you don't tell us what happened, right? So today we're gonna practice finding details for our story. So you're gonna pick out 4 different papers from your packet. You're gonna need the one that says, where did you go? What did you do? And what was it like? You're also going to need this one. So there's 4 pages that you need right now. So in yesterday's writing, I started my story with one time I went swimming, but then I gave you 3 details about what happened. I went swimming in Hurricane Harbor, to Hurricane Harbor. There were many slides and I was so excited. So those are 3 details that are part of my story. Today, we're only gonna work on finding 3 good details for our story. So one good detail for my story could come when I ask myself, where did you go? So in a story, I could ask myself, where did I go? What do I want to tell my audience? Again, I'm going to be telling this story to you. So what do I want to tell you guys about? Do I want to tell you about a time I had a birthday party? I went to school. Did I go somewhere on an airplane? The movie theater, the fair? Did I go to my grandma's house? Maybe I went to the beach. I went camping. Maybe I went swimming at a swimming pool. Did I go on vacation, a friend's house, or the store? What do I want to tell you about? Maybe I want to tell you about a time I went on vacation. So I'm gonna circle that one. And then the next part of my story is, what did you do? So I went on vacation. What did I do on this vacation? Did I play in the sand? I went swimming. I had a picnic. I read a book, ate ice cream, played games, colored a picture, rode my bike, went shopping, watched a movie, played with friends, or had breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or I ate something else. So I know my story. I'm going to tell you where I went. I went on vacation, and on vacation I had ice cream on my vacation. Now remember, this could be true or it could be fake. So if you're like, I haven't done any of these things, then you're gonna make up a story and you're just gonna pick different parts of your story. So I went on vacation, I had ice cream, and the last detail that I'm gonna tell you is, what was it like? I went on vacation, I had ice cream, and was it rainy, sunny, snowy, sad, big, fun, scary, nice, hot, cold, good, or pretty? So I went on vacation and I had ice cream. Surprisingly, it was really cold. This one's true for me. I went on vacation to Alaska, and Alaska's very cold. There was snow on the mountains, and I decided I wanted to eat ice cream. Okay, so from these 3 papers, it says 1, 2, and 3. You're gonna pick the details for your story, and you can circle them like I did. When you circled your 3 details, you're gonna get this paper. So, I went to, my first paper said, where did you go? So number 1 says, I went to, so I'm gonna trace, I went, I told you I went on vacation, but I went to vacation doesn't make sense. It's not a good sentence. So I'm gonna say I went to, where did I go on vacation? Alaska. I went to Alaska. Remember finger spaces, uppercase. I have to make this a capital letter because Alaska is the name of a state, period. Okay, I'm done with number 1. Now I'm gonna look at number 2. What did you do? When I was in Alaska, I ate ice cream. Number 2, I, finger space, there's a floating letter. I ate ice cream. Period. Okay, that was my second detail. My third detail, what was it like? Okay, when I was in Alaska, it was cold. So my third detail, it was cold. Period. So then you're gonna draw a picture here. So in Alaska, there's a lot of mountains. And there's a lot of water, but there's a lot of ice and snow on the mountains. So I'm scribbling, I don't want you to scribble. What did I do? I ate ice cream. So here is Miss Cortez. I had to have pants and a big jacket on because it was so cold. My zipper. Maybe I can. That looks like a party hat. It's supposed to be a beanie. It's not a party hat. It's a beanie because it's cold. There we go. So then I have my ice cream cone. 2 scoops. No shoes. I'm going through it quickly, boys and girls. You do it with a little bit more care. And then finally, my last detail is that it was cold. So then I'm gonna draw maybe the mountains again with some wind, and then me again. Oh boy, my art skills today, not the best. I definitely want you to do a better job than me, boys and girls. But we said art is not perfect, right? The snow, and maybe I could say brr. It's cold. So So now I have my story. So if I was going to tell you my story, I would say, one time I went to Alaska, I ate ice cream and it was so cold. Okay, you're going to do something similar on your own. You're going to find this paper in your packet and you have the 3 boxes right there. So all you're going to do is circle one. Don't forget your name. Where did you go? Did you go camping, circus, party, or beach? What did you do? Played, fishing, swimming, picnic, cake, games. What was it like? Sunny, raining, fun, exciting. So you're gonna circle one for each detail and then go ahead and write it down. You can color the pictures if you'd like when you're done. And let's see. Remember, this could be fiction or non-fiction. So you could tell a true story about something that happened to you, or you could just go ahead and make one up, okay? Alrighty, have a good one. Bye-bye.